Okay, so hi all. Okay, what you see here are not bugs. It look like, and not capacitor and not resistor. These are something different, and we will talk about it. And also we have this kind of TO92. It's like a regular transistor, PNP, NPN or MOSFET connection, 3 connections, and all this. So these are actually temperature meter, and there are many kind of temperature meter, so I will try to do it quick and explain. So these are NTC, which mean negative temperature coefficient component. Let's say what they are doing, they are changing the resistance because of the heat or cold, and it is changed. And there are some parameters that you can take from the data sheet. They have points, or if you don't have the exact points that they should change, you have like Excel table, and you can measure yourself and then get a graph how it will react to heat or cold. And what is different between all this, why I order so many, because these are 10K, which means that around 25 degrees Celsius it will be 10 kilo ohm resistance. And because they are NTC, when it is more hot, so the resistance will decrease. When it is cold, so the resistance will go up. And you have many kinds, and what is different, these for example are 2K, this is 5K. Why I order so many? Because I need it for my boiler and to check the temperature. I have many projects in my mind. This is 100K. Let's see an example how it looks like. So I have here my Fluke, and of course I will go to resistant, and for example we will take the 10K. Wow, so many components, and because we are near room temperature it should be around 10K ohm, and let's check it. And you can see it's around. And now if I will put it, I already prepare an ice here, so I will put it on the ice. You will see the resistance go up. Okay, and if I take it to my soldering iron, you will see that the resistance go down. Maybe I will put it, you see, very quickly. I hope it is not ruined, because I don't know what the temperature limit of this one. Okay, but you can see that is go up. So this is the 10K one. Okay, I will put it aside, and we will go, for example, for another one that is 2K. By the way, these components are not non-linear, which means the graph is not linear during the change. And because of this, you have this component that is using one wire. So this is like a protocol, and it is sending the temperature out in every second or when you read from it. Now I put the 2K, so you see it's around 2K on the room temperature, and if I put it on high ice, it's go to much higher resistance. And if I take it to my soldering iron, it will decrease below 10K very quickly. Yeah, and basically this is how it works. So this was just a short to explain. So because these are non-linear, so you have, these are usually linear, and you have other component. And again, this is the NTC. You have also the PTC. The PTC is exactly the opposite, which means positive coefficient temperature, which means if I will put a PTC like this into the ice, the resistance, instead of going on heat, it will go, instead of decrease, it will increase. So if you're putting on cold, it will decrease. Okay, hope I'm not mistaken. Let's again say positive coefficient. If the temperature will go up, so the resistance go up. If the temperature will go down, so the resistance go down. Opposite to this behave of these devices. So that's all. Hope you enjoy, and bye.